What's going on YouTube? So in this video it's going to be nice and quick. It's going to be a scan of how you guys can come up with pre-market movers. So for those of you guys that are day traders or are interested in trading low float stocks that are going to be moving throughout the day, this is where you're going to be able to find some of those stocks that run anywhere from 100% up to 700-800%. Not to say that every single one of these stocks do, but this is what's going to bring the attention to your eyes. All right guys, so to start we're going to go ahead and get right into it here. What you need to do is actually come here towards this scan button right here, click on scan, and you're gonna have an area where you can add filters. Okay, so right here we're gonna press add filter, and the first thing we want to look for is the type of stock. All right, so the type of stock, we're gonna change this to ask. The minimum that we're looking for is going to be 80 cents because I don't want to trade anything under that, and the maximum can be 100. All right guys, there we go. So that's our first criteria. Our second criteria is going to be again stock, but this time we're going to come down and choose volume. And what do we mean by this? We want to find a stock that has pre-market volume activity, right? So we want it to be at least 10,000 shares minimum traded to a maximum of unlimited, right? We don't really want to see a maximum on this one, so we just want it to have a minimum of 10,000 volumes traded pre-market and unlimited amount to the max side. All right, next filter we're going to add here, again we're going to do another stock, and this time we're going to change this to shares. All right, and shares we want 0 to as high as maybe 42 million. All right, now what does this mean? This is the float that we're looking for. We're looking for anything under 42 million because we want to find stocks that have short float. All right, and then we're going to add another filter here. This one we're going to add a study. All right, and on this study we're going to come down to price change, and it's under price performance. You're going to come down to price change, and you want the close to be at least 4% greater than 12 bars ago. All right, and you want this to have extended hours. All right, so you want to change this to 1 hour, and you want extended hours there as well. Okay, so this is going to bring up all the low float stocks that have traded at least 10,000 shares, are above 80 cents, and are under 42 million shares, and the price is at least 4% above. All right, so we're going to scan, and this is going to give us a bunch of stocks. So for today, obviously ZCMD, HUGE, CVU were the ones that were on the list. All right guys, and you can actually save this and then put it on how I have it here. I have it on our own watch list on a separate little bar, and then I press detach, and then I can move this watch list anywhere on my screen and assign a color to it, and then that way the chart that also has the same color code can actually start showing me the tickers. So for example, like this is also on this purple color, number 9. I go to the 5-minute chart, and then I click any of these, this is just going to rotate around. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below if you do enjoy these type of videos, and let me know what other type of videos you guys want me to make for you guys, and I will do so. All right guys, I will make more scanning videos, but before you leave, make sure you smash that like button. Thank you very much guys, take care.